everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a folder in Google Drive to keep your files organised. This quick guide will take just a minute, so let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You'll land on the main Drive page where your files and folders are displayed. Next, look for the New button on the left side of the screen if you're on a browser, or the plus icon on the mobile app. Click it, then select Folder from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will appear asking you to name the folder. Type in a name for your folder, like work projects or vacation photos, then hit Create or OK. Your new folder will now appear in Google Drive, ready for you to add files or share with others. And that's it. You've created a folder in Google Drive in just a few clicks. Keep your files organised and accessible anywhere. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.